Hi. The most common options or the career options what we give to our children or adolescents or what we ask is always about doctor or being engineer, right? Why we don't give options to our children when they are young? Why don't we show them a different career, a different profession? Today we are going to talk about it. Hi, I'm Sejil Dave, special educator, child and career counselor, and a parenting coach. So, as I said, कि सबसे कॉमन वाला करियर है जो है वो है डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर का. वेन एवर वी हैव सीन चिल्ड्रन ग्रोइंग, हमने यही सुना है डॉक्टर बनेगा ना बड़ा बन के या इंजीनियर बनने वाला है. वाई देर आर नो अदर ऑप्शंस. हम छोटे हैं तभी उनको क्यों ज़्यादा वेराइटीज़ या ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं देते हैं. Why don't we give them something creative career और प्रोफेशन. क्यों नहीं कहते हैं कि बड़ा होके जर्नलिस्ट बन या फिर बड़ा होके इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट बड़ा होके बिजनेसमैन बन. Why don't we give them any of those options? Why is it always stuck with doctor and engineer या तो फिर IPS most common. But there are options in government jobs also like IAS है, कलेक्टर का जॉब है. देर आर सो मेनी डिविजन्स इफ पीपल वॉन्ट देयर चिल्ड्रन टू परस्यू एंड गो इन टू द गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देर आर डिफरेंट करियर्स इन लाइक वेराइटीज़ ऑफ ऑप्शंस. तो अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा कुछ अलग सा करे, अच्छा करे, तो लेट अस गिव देम मोर ऑप्शंस ना. उनको ऑप्शंस दो कि अगर आप इसमें अच्छा हो तो आप ये चूज़ कर सकते हो, ये बन सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो. कितने सारे ऑप्शंस होते हैं, राइट? तो गिव देम वेराइटीज व्हेन दे आर यंग इटसेल्फ. डोंट लेट देम स्टिक विद ओनली बीइंग अ डॉक्टर और एन इंजीनियर. कहाँ पे भी देखो, बिकॉज व्हेन दे ग्रो इफ दे हैव फियर विद सर्टन सब्जेक्ट्स, बिकॉज दिस सब्जेक्ट्स नीड्स मैथ्स एंड साइंस. एंड आई हैव सीन लाइक दैट इज 50-50 का रेशियो रहता है. 50% आर वेरी वेल इन मैथ्स एंड साइंस. दे हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड ऑल. Their aptitudes are very strong in that area, but other 50% are very weak. For them maths it's like nightmare. Till 10th it is like very difficult for them to even get good marks and perform well. Still they manage with tuitions and extra helps and all. And science is at the same time it is difficult for them because सबका level एक सा नहीं होता है. Some may be creative, some may be good in literature, some may be good in music, some may be good in sports. So there are different varieties of options, right? The child pursue, right? So this is what happens. So जब बच्चे छोटे रहते हैं, their talents need to be brought out. You give them that much space. उनको दो कि वो हर एक चीज़ करके देखे. Let them take up as a science का है तो let them be good in strong in science. Give maths foundations. Don't drop anything, but they might be good in one. So उसको रेके उसी एज में, by the time the child is in 6-7, you can find it out what well was they are in. Because after 5th you have to at least wait for 6th and 7th. By the time of 13-14 years you can definitely find it out your child is strong in which subject. So based on that subject, please frame his or her future. Just don't blindly throw it on it that you are supposed to take only this thing and you are supposed to do only that thing, right? So it is not always being better. ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर नहीं कर रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप गुड पेरेंट्स नहीं हो. इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट, बट it's better to be even better parents, right? You are just making a pathway for your own children. Then why don't you do it in proper way? Just because हम छोटे थे हमने भी यही सुना था कि नहीं डॉक्टर है या इंजीनियर बनना है, तो we are also doing same thing to our child. Okay, there are other people in the family who will keep saying the same thing, but you as a parents can take a call for your child, right? Which is really required at this age now. The generation is changing, the time is changing, the situation is changing, and children being very sensitive, they shouldn't be burdenized. In fact, you have to give them vast areas of covering. अगर ऐसा आप करते हो तो यू आर एक्चुअली सेटिंग अ राइट पाथ फॉर योर चाइल्ड and you're helping your child to choose the proper career. So it begins everything from little early stage, not until they come in 10th standard or 11th standard. No doubt now your child is in 10th or 11th, they have completed their boards, and if you're looking out for career counseling also, you can opt for it. Better go for it, because you will get more options for your child. It will not only be stuck to just one or two career paths. It will be more options based on your child's aptitude. And if your child is somewhere around 13-14 years, please start working based on his interests. Give them those fields and those exposures to different fields available outside for them, and let them choose accordingly and see how they will shine, how they will come out, right? So if you like my videos, please press the like and do share among your pages. Stay tuned for my next topic. I'll be just posting it soon. Once again, Sejal Dubey, special educator, child and career counselor and parenting expert. Bye. Take care.